the girls found him cute. He sailed with 5 ships to find the East Indies, then come back to Spain with a bounty of loot. Whoopee-tie-I-O, oh happy Magellan, starting your journey with hardly a care. Whoopee-tie-I-O, strong brave Magellan, you'll find the East Indies, you just don't know where. They crossed the Atlantic and spotted a country. Magellan said,
"It's the East Indies at last!"
But then someone shouted,
"Hey, that's Argentina!"
Magellan got cranky and chopped down the mast. Whoopee-tie-I-O, settle down, Magellan, put down that axe, there's no time to despair. Whoopee-tie-I-O, keep trying, Magellan, you'll find the East Indies, you just don't know where. A great storm arose in the mighty Pacific. The 5 little ships were diminished to 3. At last land was sighted, Magellan was happy, but then someone shouted, "Hey, that's Chile!" Whoopee-tie-I-O, cheer up, Magellan, check out your map and don't tear out your hair. Whoopee-tie.
Squam.
Ay, 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 oops, Magellan, your fun little journey's become a nightmare. Whoopee-tie-I-O, keep trying, Magellan, you'll find the East Indies, you just don't know where.